Currently, there's only 2 treatments out there for patients, and while they do help with symptomatic relief, there's not great compliance because there's real challenges for patients that are on those drugs. The need for better treatments is really substantial. Again, if you look at diseases like Alport syndrome, in the past it's been very difficult to diagnose, so it's either been misdiagnosed or massively underdiagnosed. Now there's new tools out there, and in fact we're working closely with the Alport Syndrome Foundation, who's building a patient registry in many countries, including the United States and Canada, and making sure that patients have access to all the clinical trials that are going on, but also making sure that they're influencing how we do the trials, that we're understanding where trials have failed in the past, that we're understanding what it takes for patient recruitment. Again, oftentimes if you look at these diseases, the impact that they have on lifestyle impacts how much they can participate in a clinical trial. So the more compatible you can make those clinical trials with patient lifestyle, the better you're going to do with recruitment. And another big part of it is really leveraging technology. So in the past, there haven't been great biomarkers for diseases of fibrosis, and for our IPF program, we've got a biomarker for phase 1, which will help us to predict that it's actually having the effect that we need to have in the humans, that the drug is getting to where it needs to get to. And then when we move into later stage clinical trials, we have markers that'll show us that we're affecting that extracellular matrix and clearly showing regression in the disease. And then we'll combine that, like everything today, with artificial intelligence, which will help us interpret imaging technologies that have also evolved incredibly, which will help us show not just how lung volume is increasing, but how the physical volume of the lung is improved. And of course, that's the ultimate outcome here. So I think the experience of the team that we've put together have been working in this field for 20 plus years, 30 years, and so understanding where things haven't worked is a really important component of coming up with a strategy where we can be successful.